Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's topic is about the variables. Okay, variables, you know that how to declare in a DAX statement, right? You just need to use the var keyword and just uh, give a name to that. Only restriction is that we can't give a space while creating the variable name, though it is fine. Now, always whenever you learn the DAX and learn the variable concept, we always template to us to use that variable inside uh, inside the DAX expression. But let me show you one example where if you want to use the variable, then you will get a wrong output. Okay, that is not the requirement, and we should not use in that case the variable. So requirement is something like, so I have a very basic matrix here. I'm just putting a year by month, and I'm just putting the net sales here. Okay, but my requirement is I just want to calculate the net sales last year. Okay, so you know that what's the formula would be. So let's put it net sales. Let's check net sales last year. Okay, so I will do a calculate, then my net sales, and I can use the date add, or I can use my same period last year and my continuous dates. Right, very simple, nothing complicated here. Okay, now we have net sales the last year here, net sales, sorry, not this one, net sales last year, and we are getting here. Okay, so for the January 2019, the data is coming from January 2018, same period last year on this case. Okay, it is working fine. Now let's try to implement something like, in this case let's try to put a variable in this case. Okay, so what I want to do a variable in something like v underscore sales. Okay, here I want to capture my net sales first, just for a sec, and instead of net sales here I will put a return, because once you have the variable you need to put a return statement, and in the return instead of using the net sales I'll use my variable here. Okay, and we'll just see the problem, enter it, and there is a problem. What the problem is all about? Now you are getting the same data across each and every row. You are not getting the sample period last year. Why? Because when you are, let's go to the last year, when you are assigning the v sales, the variable with the net sales, right? It is going to the each and every filter context. Let's check it here. So it is going to each and every filter context, and on that only it is calculating the same period last year. So January to January only. So it is printing the same filter context variable on this case, right? So in this case there is a misuse of your variable. Okay, so there are some instances, this is one of the instances which could be very helpful, where you are working with some kind of time intelligence functions. Try to avoid the variable, because we want, don't consider filter. It is like when I'm on the December, I want to check other filter context also that time, instead of the current filter context. So if in this case what will happen is the variable b holds the current filter context, and it is calculating the same period last year on that day only, so it is the same value. Okay, hope you like this video. It will be a very short video, but this is the use of, or you should not use the variable in this case. Okay, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this, and keep watching and keep sharing. Thank you and have a nice day.